In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn $300 every 10 minutes. The first step of this monetization method is to pick up your phone or whatever device you use and visit thetrip.com. Trust me, you will love this website. It's like having your own personal journey. Hours of endless research is what sets travel expense apart. It's amazing with artificial intelligence. This smart little tool uses some tool technology to gather all the reliable insights and logistical information you need to plan your dream trip. And let me tell you, it's super fast. You can plan a trip to any city in the world in seconds. Not only does Roma we do all hard work for you, but it lures you in with a one-click booking. Don't save to find the best deals and judge multiple tabs. With just one simple click and you can go ahead, and this is the cherry on top, and you can even download it as an app. Yes, that's right. Carry your personal journey directly on your phone. Have it in your pocket, whatever at home or on the move. Always have the Roma fee available. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. At this stage, you need to register on this website. So click on the register button that you will find in the upper right corner. You can continue with your Facebook or Google account to sign up, or if you're feeling old, you can just log in with your account. Now that you're logged in, get ready to have your mind blown by how Roma charge. It's really easy to get started by placing an order and sharing your travel goals and things to do, because here comes the fun part. Access their itinerary editor, which has amazing travel deals, which are just waiting for you to dive into these travel offers. But here you can customize them according to what you want. Their longevity and editor gives you plenty of options to make your plan come true once you're completed it. Just hit the submit button, and this is where Roma fee really gets their team into action and make all the necessary booking and create the final itinerary. Not every team, but not they are connected with local travel experts who know their stuff. These experts works their magic to prepare travel suggestion specifically for you. The cost of the novel isn't just about the luxury itinerary, it's all about the handing of the trip. The best offers for you. Their team will try to get you the most bang for you, but they want you to have a luxurious experience without breaking the bank. And the best part is that they support you even when you are traveling. They are available to help you whenever you need a hand. Now let's dive right in and create the perfect itinerary. So look for the text box on the homepage row that says go now. Let's think where we're going to say select Germany after you've locked down your destination. It's time to check in on travel dates. We arrive at the destination point and now you're almost there. Go ahead and click the yellow submit travel request button, and guess what? You won't have to wait long and you'll have your details in seconds. Trip overview right in front of you. This amazingly honest overview show you the amazing things you can do on each day of your trip. But hold to see the little arrows next to each activity. You will get more details about each activity. Ramafee makes everything easy for you. So open your web browser and type Canva Docs into the search bar. Click the first link that pop-ups and you'll be taken to the Canva platform. If you don't have an account before, don't worry, you can easily register for free. And after registering and logging into the system, access a world of design possibilities. It's time to create your itinerary. Create a doc button for the color here. And you'll be redirected to a blank document where you can start writing. Let's make this itinerary shine. Remember the trip overview we got from the Ramafee. It's time to bring it into the Canva documents and copy all the information from the Ramafee and paste it directly into your document, including all the images that are now collect or put. We want to make this itinerary attractive and eye-catching, where the elements take shapes and become creative. Add interesting visual symbol or even photos, and don't forget to hide important words, or maybe tell them when you're happy with your masterpieces. It's time to save it, and save it as a PDF file so that it is easily shareable and looks professional. It's time to turn that travel itinerary into a hot digital product and sell it like a boss on Etsy. So imagine you've created an amazing itinerary that's pure gold. Now it's time to share it with the world and earn some serious cash. The best place to do this is, you guessed it, Etsy. First, visit the Etsy website. Let's show the world your itinerary. If you look on Etsy, you can set a price for your masterpieces. Lots of different itineraries starting at $5 and going up to $25 or even more. It totally depends on you. You know the value of your work and you can have a good price for it. Now all you have to do is create your own travel itinerary listing first. Create an account on Etsy, then look for the option create a new listing. Make sure you add a catchy title to your listing and make it catchy to do. You can also add some interesting photos or screenshots of your itinerary. With this attractive strategy, you can earn more money online wherever you are in the world.